like if you want to go and seduce somebody, this is the fragrance for you to spray on your body. I'm not joking with you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I know it has been ages, guys. I don't remember how to do a sit down video anymore. Like, I haven't done a sit down video in so long. Now today's video is going to be all about scents, all about perfumes. If you know me, you know that I love my scents. I love when my home smells good. I love when my body smells good. I love to smell good, okay? And having binge watching a lot of perfume videos in the last couple of days, for some reason there are a few YouTubers who have been doing videos on their perfume collections, you know. So I decided, I should do a video on my perfume collection, on my scents and everything, in case you guys are curious about how Alma smells. So if this video is something that you'll be interested in watching, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be going through these fragrances in no particular order, okay? I'm just going to be picking them and talking about them. And please, disclaimer, I'm not very good at describing perfumes. Like, I'm not good at describing notes, describing top notes, middle notes, low notes of perfumes. I don't know all about that, okay? I just know how a perfume smells and how it makes me feel. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So the very first perfume I want to talk about right now is this one right here. Now, this is Lancôme La Vie Est Belle. Guys, this perfume, okay, is one of my oldest perfumes in my collection. Forget that it's still reaching here. Forget that it's still here, but that's because I don't spray this perfume just anyhow. I don't spray it to go just anywhere. This is a perfume for very serious events. This is a perfume for very, very serious outings. This is the kind of fragrance you want to wear when you want to command attention when you enter somewhere. This is the kind of perfume you want to wear when you want to smell expensive when you enter somewhere. That's why I love this perfume so much. Again, it is a Lancôme La Vie Est Belle. I love this fragrance so much. This fragrance just smells like money. It smells like riches. That's all I can say about this perfume. And I think it's one of the most expensive ones I have in my stash, to be honest. If I find the prices to these particular perfumes right now, the current prices, I'll leave them on the screen so you guys can see. But yes, it is an expensive perfume and it is just... So I've actually had to go on my phone and go into Google and just, you know, search for the notes that these perfumes give. So the top notes of this perfume are raspberry. Yeah, I can smell raspberry. Pink pepper and bergamot. I can smell the spiciness in it because, yeah, this perfume actually has like a spicy scent to it. So I do perceive the pink pepper thing and the raspberry, that's for sure. Other notes are vanilla, jasmine and coal. But yes, guys, I absolutely love this perfume. Like I said, it's not the kind of fragrance to wear everywhere. It's the one you wear to special occasions. And yes, that's exactly what I do with no shame. All right. Very, very good. I love this. The next fragrance I have here is Clinique Happy. This is like one of the most classic perfumes of all time. Like, back in high school, we used to have this body sprays, this imitation body sprays that would say, if you love Clinique Happy, then you will love our da-da-da-da-da. If you guys remember, let me know in the comment section. But yes, this is like the actual Clinique Happy. And this fragrance is so nostalgic for me because, like I said before, secondary school, high school, like, secondary school and university. Like, secondary school and my first 2 years in the university is giving me so much nostalgia right now. I sprayed this some time ago and I went to my folks' house. I hugged my mom. My mom was like, what did you spray? It smells so good. It was Clinique Happy. This is like that very, very classic fragrance. Like, if you spray this and walk into a place, that scent will be very familiar to people because it's a very, very familiar scent, but they may not be able to tell what exactly it is. So it is Clinique Happy and I love this. This is almost like my everyday fragrance. Like, I just spray this on if I'm going out, I need to go somewhere, you know, maybe a meeting, a brand meeting, or I'm going out for lunch or something of that sort. I spray this and I absolutely love it. It's also not as expensive as the Lancôme La Vie Est Belle. It's more on the affordable side. Like I said, I'll leave the price on the screen if I can find it. And basically, this just smells like a combination of flowers and fruits. Okay, that's what this smells like. I was so correct. I just checked the notes right now online and this has mandarin, orange, apple, rose. Like, those fragrances is what I smell whenever I perceive this, and I absolutely love it. The combo of all of these come together so good. One of my absolute favorites of all time. Love this. The next fragrance I have here is the Versace Bright Crystal. This was a very recent gift from my sis-in-law, my darling Latoya. She gave this to me on their last trip to Nigeria, and This particular fragrance is what I wore for both weddings, and I had my reasons because it just smelled so girly. That's what I get when I spritz this on. It smells so girly. Can we please just talk about the bottle? Like, can we please talk about the bottle? Okay, it has such a cute bottle. The cap is so nice. I feel like the cap is literally the perfume, to be honest. This is just what the bottle looks like. Then the cap now looks like this. But I absolutely adore this scent so much. Like I said, I wore this for both weddings. I was feeling so fresh and so girly when I wore this. Again, this is very fruity, very citrusy, very floral. Okay, it's such a feminine fragrance, and I absolutely love it. Some of the notes are pomegranate. That explains the fruity smell. Okay, musk, mahogany, amber, like it just smells amazing. I absolutely love this. It's one of my favorites. I know I love all of these. Like guys, I'm showing you guys like what I absolutely love right now. I'm not showing you what I don't love. I'm showing you what I love. So I absolutely love this fragrance. It's so girly and so fresh. If you love feminine, very feminine scents, you would like this. All right, Alma said so. The next fragrance I want to talk about is one from a Nigerian brand, and then you guys would have seen me unbox this in a couple of my vlogs back, an older vlog. This one is Seduction by Beguiled by Oma. I love this fragrance so much, guys. Like from the very first day I unboxed this fragrance is amazing. Like the name suits it so much. Seduction. I feel like if you want to go and seduce somebody, this is the fragrance for you to spray on your body. I'm not joking with you. It smells very inviting, very seductive, very feminine, and very luxurious. The owner of this brand is also a YouTuber. Her name is Oma. She's based in Dubai, and when she came out with these fragrances, I was really impressed. She actually has one called Passion and then this one called Seduction, but this Seduction just stands out for me. It's that fragrance I wear when I want to be taken seriously when I enter a place. Like when I enter somewhere, maybe a meeting or something, and I want you to be looking at me, be talking to me about that money, that contract, that partnership. Look into my eyes. That is what I get with this. I absolutely love this fragrance so much, and it's one of the most affordable fragrances in my collection. It's about 15,000 naira, guys. 15,000 naira, and it lasts long. This is not just like, okay, it's 15k so it will not last. It lasts long. Okay, I absolutely love this, guys. I love this. Oma, you are doing amazing. When I do run out of this, I'm definitely going to purchase another bottle because I absolutely love this, guys. It's so nice. Like, go and get one for yourself. I'm not even joking. Go and buy one. It's so good. Next fragrance I want to talk about is YSL's a Black Opium. This, in a nutshell, is the fragrance that makes you feel like a grown-ass woman. That's it. I said it. Drop the microphone. We are done here. Yes, guys, this fragrance, I got it as a gift a couple of months back, and it's such a grown-ass woman fragrance that I don't want to spray it. Like, you know that perfume you have that you don't like spraying because you feel like you oppress people when you go outside wearing this thing. That's just it. It smells amazing. It smells expensive. It smells powerful. All right, forgive my adjectives right here, guys, but that's how best I know how to describe perfumes. It also has a sort of spicy scent to it, just like the Vie Est Belle from Lancome. It has a spicy, you know, spicy slash fruity scent to it, and I'm sure the top notes in this would have a bit of spice. I said it's pear, pink pepper again. I smelled that pink pepper thing in this. It's in the same family as the Lancome, right? The pink pepper, the pear, orange blossom, coffee. That explains it. Jasmine, bitter almond, all in one fragrance. This is the perfume that even if you don't have any perfume here, just have this one. Okay, you are good to go. This is definitely money in a bottle. All right, and between this and the Lancome, I switch them in between. Whenever I have very important places to go to, I switch them in between, or I spray both together. That way you don't even know what I'm wearing. All right, that's another way to confuse people. Spray 3 different fragrances, nobody will be able to know what you're wearing, trust me. But yes, this is an absolute favorite. Love this. Next fragrance here is from Clinique again. This one is the Clinique Happy in Bloom. I love this one for everyday use. It has a very floral scent. Obviously, you heard it's Clinique Happy in Bloom, so obviously it has a very nice fruity scent. I love this too. I feel like Clinique has some of the best fragrances out there, some of the best, more affordable fragrances out there that last and last and lasts. So this is actually one of my favorites for everyday use. I can smell like a combo of different flowers in here. Just smells like flowers. Like, again, if you want feminine scents, I am more of a feminine girl. Like, you will not really catch me wearing masculine scents. It's not my thing. I love when I'm really smelling very feminine and very flirty, very floral, very fruity. That's my style. So this is right up my alley, and I wear this every other day. I want to run to ShopRite and go and buy something, I spray this. I want to stop over somewhere and buy, this is what I spray. It's like perfect for everyday use, but at the same time, you don't go around smelling shabby. You smell great, and I absolutely love this. Again, from Clinique Happy in Bloom, a favorite. Now I have two perfume oils to show you guys. You guys know that right now perfume oils are making the rave, especially because people cannot really afford to buy, you know, designer perfumes, especially now that the dollar has gone higgy haga. Designer perfumes are so expensive right now to buy. So some brands have come out with perfume oils that, you know, they sample these designer perfumes and turn them into oil. And the very good thing about these is that perfume oils last even longer because these perfumes are now embedded inside oil. And you guys know that when you place these oils on your skin, it stays there literally all day. If you spray it on your clothes, it will stay there for a very long time. So the very first one I want to talk about right now is from a brand called Glendale Perfumery, and this is their C by Giorgio Armani. That's another fragrance that everybody is obsessed with right now, Giorgio Armani C, and this is Glendale Perfumery's own version of it. And this perfume oil just smells like a bag of multi-million dollars. That's how it's, I don't even know if that makes any sense, but it smells like money. It smells so good. It smells very expensive, and this particular one, a little goes a long way. Just a little tiny bit here, you are good. You just be exuding money, dollars. It's amazing. It just makes me curious to even know how the original C by Giorgio Armani smells, because this smells really, really good, and it's really, really affordable too. I don't know how much this particular bottle goes for. I think it goes for about 7k or 8k. I don't even know how much, but I will leave the price on the screen if I can find it. Again, it's so nice, and the bottle also really, really good. I mean, obviously it's not an expensive perfume, but they still put a lot of thought into their bottle. It has this oud kind of look. You guys know all of this Arabian scents. It has that oud look with the gold and the red. It's really, really, really cute, and it smells really good, and it's also small enough to put in your purse if you need to go out and freshen up when you're out. I love this, guys. I really, really love this. So nice. Then the second perfume oil is from Perfume Hive. This is what it looks like. Again, this particular brand took particular care into what their bottles look like. So nice. This particular one is called Bloom. I'm not sure what perfumes that they sampled in this particular one, but again, it's feminine and it's very, very fresh. This is strong, okay? This is a very strong fragrance. You spritz this on, it's not leaving your body for the next couple of days. I'm not exaggerating, like, it's that good. If you don't like very strong scents, I would say stay away from this because it's really, really strong. But if you do love to make heads turn when you enter a room, grab this. Again, it's also really affordable because it's an oil. I'm not sure exactly how much it is, but yeah, it just smells really, really good. I spritz this on when I know that I have to make a statement somewhere. All right, I spritz this on when I'm meeting someone for the first time. Right, this will give you a very, very good first impression. Trust me. And then last but not least, I want to talk about some body sprays, because yeah, we talk about fragrances, perfumes. Most people may not really be able to afford perfumes or even perfume oils at the time. Everything is going higgy haga in the country, guys. There's no money anywhere. But I have 3 body mists or body fragrances that I really love. Body splashes, body sprays, whatever you want to call them. I have 3 that I'm using right now that I absolutely love. The first one is this one from Bodycology. I got this at Essenza when I shopped for perfume for my dad. I got this for about 2,000 naira or so. I think it was about 2k up. I'd be 1,700 naira. It was really cheap, but really, really nice. Like, this particular scent is in cucumber and melon. They have a couple of other fruity scents, but I picked this one because I love the freshness that comes with cucumber and watermelon. This reeks of watermelon and cucumber. Like, if you don't like watermelon scents or cucumber scents, you will not like this, but I absolutely love this. I am a sucker for anything that smells like watermelon. and cucumber. I love it. This smells really, really good, and for the price, I mean, you can't really beat the deal. I think you can find this at any Essenza store around you, most likely. Really, really love this. It's an absolute favorite. Next is this one from Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret is that brand that has been doing body sprays for as long as I can remember, since I was a kid, most likely. And this one is their Pure Seduction. You can see where I am on this. The name, once they say seduction, just know that it's seduction, okay? I spray this mostly, you know, when I'm done having my bath at night. I spray this all over my body. Makes me feel good, makes me smell amazing, and I just absolutely love this. It's just really, really nice. I mean, come on, you guys know how Victoria's Secret fragrances smell. I mean, come on, it smells amazing. And then last but not least, I have the very popular Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom. This smells like cherries, obviously. Cherries, flowers. Okay, so if you love cherries, you love flowers, you love smelling fresh, again fruity, this is what you should go for in terms of, you know, body sprays. I love, love, love this. It's a cult favorite from Bath and Body Works, and I can understand why, because it smells amazing. It also has a bit of spice to it. I can perceive some spice in it as well, not sure, but it smells really, really good, really, really nice. In case you want to confuse people, you can still spray your designer perfume or your perfume oil, still spray this all over your body. People will be confused, they will not know what you're spraying. And yeah guys, that's basically it. We have come to the end of this video. Wow, that was a whole lot. Okay, a whole lot of fragrances. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, comment down below, subscribe, let me know in the comments, guys, what do you want me to do in terms of sit down videos, because I feel like I'm stuck when it comes to sit down videos. I don't know what else to put out for you guys. So if you have any ideas on what I should put out for sit down videos, let me know in the comment section below, and I will do that. Again, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe down below. Guys, we hit 14k about 2 or 3 days back, I think. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for 14k. 20k is looking very, very close. I'm super excited. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
If I don't get you, shawty.